Alright, here we go. We got a cuz from East Texas Outlaw. Got his 300 Blackouts. We're going to do a quick little showing how they group, little feet per second. And that's pretty much the basic it of that one. And well, y'all stay tuned. Alright. Again, just seeing how they group. And that is 1912. I'm sorry, there was a glare. Ooh, not too good. That was 1857. I might be moving. That is also cold bore. There we go, 1821. And 1824. As you see, that first one was a cold bore, so that's why that was off. But yeah, we're averaging just a snag over 1800 feet per second. And there you go, as you see, as they are grouping up. Cuz is definitely, well, Cuz is definitely doing a pretty good job on reloading. So there we go. Thanks for watching. This is at about 50-ish yards. And this is the chrono's just right in front of the muzzle.